In this video, I'll show you how to create a Higgsfield AI account. First, open your browser and go to the Higgsfield AI website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up button and click on it. You have two ways to create your account. The first way is to sign up with your email. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Then click Continue. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open it and click the verification link to activate your account. The second way is to sign up using an existing account. You can choose to continue with Google, Apple, or Microsoft. Just click on whichever option you prefer and follow the steps to link your account. This is the fastest way to get started, as you do not need to create a new password. Once you are logged in, you will be presented with subscription plan options. Take your time to look through the available plans before choosing one. Keep in mind that the annual price is usually shown by default, so make sure you check the monthly option as well if you prefer to pay monthly. Once you have selected your plan, your account is fully set up and ready to use. That is how you do it.